Hello from Jordan Farrington Commercials. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter tall pod tipper. This comes with a full length reflective stripe, a hard wearing steel body, it's single rear wheel so it has a better payload, also has an 8-pin tow bar. Been kept in really good condition in and out. There's your amber flashing beacon on the top. These tall pods do lock and do have the keys. As you can see, it's got cab security as well. Here's your inside storage, that's lockable. Huge storage in the back. Now into the cab. As you can see, you've got your volume controls, your cruise control. Let's start it up. As you can see, it's covered 88,000 miles. Here's your FM, Bluetooth, DAB, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto radio. Here's all your heating controls. There's your beacon switch right there. Comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. These seats have been kept in good condition. Here's your interior lighting too. Any more questions, please let us know.